and promotion of good governance. Determined to end the crisis, East African Regional Force was mandated as the first regional intervention, bringing together East African community troops to deliver on peace, security, and stability aspirations in Eastern DRC. This approach is provided for under the EAC Treaty and Security Protocol, the AU Constitutive Act, and Chapter 8 of the United Nations. Ladies and gentlemen, as we are aware, Eastern Democratic Republic of Congo remains a focal area of concern, with the intractable conflict directly impacting. Key element of ICRAF's mission entails fostering harmonious coexistence between communities. This was undertaken through leadership engagement, through key leadership engagement with the local population, aimed at building public confidence and trust, as well as fostering an atmosphere of understanding, which eventually led to cohesive societal structures and restoration of normalcy. Mapambano sio mapambano ya kupigana, lakini ni kuwa na sauti. Kuwa na sauti ya kuuliza ni kwa nini kuna mapigano upande wa Democratic Republic of Congo mashariki, mapigano ambayo hayana manufaa kwa wananchi wa kawaida, ili uweze kupatikana na suluhu.
Haya, na tukaisha